You've probably seen those flashy, over-the-top ads for the dumb money system popping up non-stop. They all scream the same promise: make thousands of dollars right from your phone. No job, no business, no experience, and just a Wi-Fi connection. One ad even shows a woman at the grocery store, clearly struggling to pay, and some guy behind her steps in like a hero saying, "Don't worry, I made this money using a dumb money system and ChatGPT." Sounds like something out of a bad movie, right? That kind of ad is designed to trigger emotion and curiosity, and I'll admit, it got me. I decided to dig deeper and see what this system is really about. I clicked through to the website getdumbmoney.com and was met with a dramatic, restricted access video that made it feel like I was being let in on some top secret millionaire method. But as the video dragged on, all I heard were vague success stories, emotional manipulation, and a mysterious narrator talking about earning $10,000 a month, yet giving absolutely no real information on what the system actually does. There was no breakdown, no clear method, just fluff. Eventually, it led me to a $67 upsell on Digistore 2.4. That turned out to be a very basic affiliate marketing course, outdated content that's been floating around YouTube for years. Completely free. There was no actual system, no automation, and nothing unique about it. It felt like the kind of product that makes its money from selling hype, not delivering value. I didn't get scammed out of thousands, but I definitely didn't walk away with anything worthwhile either. So is the dumb money system legit or a scam? Let's just say it plays on desperation and sells you a dream that's barely built on reality. If you're looking for a real way to earn online, you're better off doing your own research and learning real skills, not chasing shiny shortcuts.